is giving an idea where my sister who's
Yes,
getting her
room.
car.
Yes, room, Jason. Yay.
And guys,
Yay.
this is like, I swear,
This is
tomorrow is
cute.
the last day. It's only limited
Yeah,
for,
okay.
you can get the kitty for money and the snake, but the wolf and the narwhal is money.
Let's go, Izzy.
So yeah, and then it's this.
Izzy, come on.
It's really cool.
He wants to go now. Sit in the front. Not with your umbrella. No, no.
Oh, sorry. What's the kid's name again?
Vroom. Jason Jr. I said vroom.
Oh, hi, Joe.
Yes, we're going vroom. Now, the only problem is I don't really know where Osborne is.
You don't know.
It's somewhere here, but there are lots of little towns.
Little towns.
Yeah.
That's
I'm
nice.
just going to go round and try and notice. Because, careful.
Oh my god, what?
Why are people standing in the road?
Wait, yeah.
Oh no, oh no. The map's not loaded.
Yes.
Oh no, 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 no. Cry, don't cry.
Oh.
Oh no.
You did not cry, you
Go to your house.
What?
Yeah. I can't go to Osborne and my house at the same time because my house is close.
Okay,
Where's
my
your
house is back.
You think it's over here?
No, I saw it.
Because I don't want you to cry.
You know where?
You can stay outside. Oh no. the
Oh, here's my
fireworks
house.
are
Here's my house.
soon. The fireworks
Or we
are
can go
soon.
straight to Osborne.
No, no, no.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. It's too tired.
Should I
And
just?
I know your house isn't done, but it's an emergency.
I can just wait out here.
It's an emergency. The baby needs
I
sleep.
waited out here. My fans cannot see my house. It's quite dark, you know, guys. So
Yeah.
I got my camper.
Is he still building? With help from Pro Editor. Oh. I know your house is under construction, but this is an emergency.
Yeah, people.
When a baby's got to sleep.
Good, the
Gotta
builders
sleep.
are not here that time.
She said, where?
This is my camper, like, guys, you can have
think
this
this
one.
is it,
So you just buy
There you
this
go, you're
camper.
sleeping, you're
So like,
sleeping. Shh,
oh my
shh,
god, I'm so broke.
Yay!
Don't
Don't
So
worry,
buy
don't
it, and it's already decorated just like this. I haven't done anything
It's
to
a
it, and
play.
you can't do anything to it.
It's pretty. I wish you could.
Yeah.
Come on, we're going, we're going.
Oh, okay. I was just about to sleep. I joke.
Where are we going? Oh no, we're going to the fireworks.
Oh my god, I'm so
But first,
sorry.
we'll get something in Osborne. Come on.
Can we get a big map?
Quickly, I saw where Osborne was and they're starting.
Can I get a big map? I don't think they have the bug,
Osborne is
okay.
over here.
But they might even have a bug. Is that your friend? Is that live clerk? Or is that the other
Don't
guy?
worry, my house is locked. You can come in. I'm gonna lock it so only family can come in. Because I don't want them in my video and it's strange. Because you have to type. And you'll see my typing. Yep, yep, yep. Right. There. You can only come in. Let me just. Easy. Family. There you go. Yes, we'll get you a drink. We'll get you a drink. Mm-hmm. There you go.
What about the food?
Oh, you got her now. You want drink? I gave you drink. Funny baby.
But I feel more.
Oh, there's a crash site.
Oh
That
my
looks like a
god, I
plane
feel
as well.
so bad. Like, whoop! I think.
There's a high school. Yeah, it's quite small. Right.
Can you wait?
Up we go. Come on, up. We're going up.
I can. There's like
Before
a
we
little
make some-
sign who says what the airline is. Mine dumb. I can barely even read. I'm just joking.
Go to Aldi later.
And this is a
There are lots of hills.
clothing shop.
Here they are.
Pogs,
We can set them
get some
ourselves.
talk.
Right.
Okay, wait for
I'm
me.
gonna have to like get chairs because we can't have us standing.
I would do. What's the special room?
I found some theatre seats.
I think the special room. My friend texted me and they said that you have to donate to go in it. Wow. I'm probably gonna
There
do-
you go. Sit there.
Oh, there's
We're
a
both gonna
tape.
set them. We're both gonna set them.
Oh my god. See?
I'll tell you. There you go. Whoa!
Well, they're going up into the air. So
Happy bonfire night! That is cool. Press more.
whoa! It's so
Woo!
pretty.
Little baby. You like it?
Oh, some people don't. I can't believe he's not screaming.
Whoa!
Can you
Look
see
at that? Just look up. It's beautiful.
You like me? So pretty. You don't need to.
Let's set tender room. Whoa!
Well, I'm hungry. I'm going to take him. Do you want to stay at the hotel?
Yeah, I guess we should.
So we're gonna eat. Then we're gonna go.
I'm not that hungry. If you
Really?
ask me. I'm quite tired.
Let me just.
That is cool. I still see them all. Let's wait until they're done.
Yes.
That is cool.
Well, do you want to go to upstairs, like the
No, I'm
markets?
going to the hotel and I'm going to rest.
Okay. Should I
It's
get?
night time already.
Should I get a separate room?
Yeah. I'm getting the family room because, yeah.
Is room 2 bigger? I don't think it is.
Right now, baby, you go to sleep there, yeah? Before I go to bed.
And
Okay, guys,
remember
that's
to
it for today's
like,
video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!
Bye!